Hello everyone. So we have this interesting exponents question with us today, and we need to find the value of x here. Okay, we need to solve this equation and find the value of x. Why I'm saying that this question is from exponents, you'll get to know. So to solve this equation, let's simplify this. To simplify, please understand here in the denominator you can see there is no power of x given. That means the power is 1. On the right hand side, no power of x is given here. That means the power is 1. Okay. I hope you know this much. So let's solve the left hand side. If I simplify the left hand side, I can rewrite this as x raised to power 8 upon x minus 1, and the right side can be written as x raised to power x plus 1. So why I'm writing so? Let's see. There are certain rule of exponents. What are these rules? These rules says that if there are two numbers which are divided, so if we are dividing two numbers, we can write them in the form of a numerator and denominator also. Yes, and their powers are different. Their powers are different. See, the base number is same, but the powers are different, and two numbers are divided. Okay, so in that case, the powers are subtracted. The power of numerator minus the power of denominator. Similarly, if there are two numbers that are getting multiplied and they have different powers, m and n, the base number are same, the powers are different. In that case, the powers are added. Okay. So this is the rule that I used for the left hand side and the right hand side. We have one more rule. What is that rule? That rule says that if the left side and the right side is same and the base number is same, but the powers are like different, so we can see the left side of the equation is equals to right side of the equation and the base numbers are same. In such case, the powers have to be equal. The powers have to be equal. Then only this condition is possible. So we will be using this third rule here. We can see the left side and the right side is same. The left side and the right side is same. The base number, that is x, is also same. That means the powers should be equal. The powers should be equal. That means 8 upon x minus 1 should be equals to x plus 1. Now, to find the value of x, we can solve this equation. So let's solve this equation. To solve this equation, I will take everything on the right hand side. So this will become x plus 1 minus 8 upon x is equals to 0. If we simplify this, I will get x square plus 2x minus 8 upon x is equals to 0. If we simplify further, we will get x square minus 2x, oh sorry, plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. I took this x on the right hand side. Hereafter, we will go for middle term splitting. If we do middle term splitting, we will get x plus 4 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. We are multiplying two brackets and we are getting 0. That means either the left bracket is 0 or the right bracket is 0. So that's why we'll get x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. If we solve this further, we will get x equals to negative 4 or we get x is equals to 2. So we have two values of x from this equation. X is equals to 2 or x is equals to negative 4. But please think carefully. These are the two answers that are possible or there can be more answers. Please think. Generally, students solve till here and they leave the question. They think they have found out all the possible values of x. But no, there is one more value of x that is possible. What is that value of x? Let's see. Find one more value of x. Let's come back to this original simplified form of the equation. We'll come back to step 1. Okay, we'll come back to step 1. What we have done in step 1, we have simplified the left hand side and we have simplified the right hand side using exponent rule. I hope you remember those exponent rule. Correct. Now we will be simplifying it further. How? Let's see. To simplify it further, I will bring the right hand side to the left hand side. If I bring the right hand side to the left hand side, I will get x raised to power 8 by x minus 1 upon x raised to power x plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay. If I bring this right side on the left hand side, I'll be left with 1 on the right hand side. Now, this left-hand side can be simplified further. How? We will be using the exponent rule as I told you in the beginning. Simplifying the left-hand side, we will get x raised to power 8 upon x minus 1 minus x minus 1. I'm using the exponent rule. This is equals to 1. Now, please understand, 1 raised to power any number gives us 1 only, correct? And here on the left hand side, if x is 1, no matter what is the power of x, what is the power of 1, we will get 1 on the right hand side. So we can write x can be 1 as well. Yes, x can be 1 as well. If you want, we can try it. Let's try this. If x is 1, we will get 1 raised to power 8 by 1. X is 1. So 8 by 1 is 8 minus 1 minus x. Minus x means 1 only. Minus 1 minus 1. Now, if we solve this, we will get 1 raised to power 5. Now, what is 1 raised to power 5? That is 1. Yes, that means the left hand side and the right hand side becomes equal if we go with x equals to 1. That means there are three possible values of x. X equals to 1, x equals to negative 4 and x equals to 2. Okay, so please do not stop at these two values only, x equals to negative 4 and x equals to 2. You please think carefully that x equals to 1 is also possible. So these are the three possible values of x equals to 1, 2 and negative 4. These are the possible values of x. I hope you enjoyed the solution and see how tricky it was that you can leave one value of x. Yes. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.